Alright guys, we just got home from shopping and look what I got in the mail. My Fab Fit Fun box. So, I like this. I used to get all kind of different boxes. Subscribe. And some scissors. Never mind. I used to get all kind of boxes. Like, I've gotten Ipsy, Birchbox. And they were like the monthly ones, and I just was like, this is too much. I'm getting a lot of the same things, and so I canceled them and just got this. So this is a seasonal box. So I get this 4 times a year. You can customize these and pick a couple of the things, like get a choice, but I just don't do that. So it's super cute. There is a $15 off your first Fab Fit Fun box if you want to try it. I want to say they're $49.99, but it's $39 if you use that code. And then you'll get a book that tells you all about all the different products, how much they normally retail for. So we will just dig in and see what we got. So they also like to include like a HelloFresh. Is this a HelloFresh one? Yeah, 13 meals free off your first order. So, you know, fun. So what is this? Camp collection. Let's see. So this is a tie-dye. It says this is a tie-dye, dip dye tote. So just like this cute little bag that you can hold on to or hang. It's netted. Like this ombre pattern. So this is cute. This normally sells for $25. So kind of cute. You know, just hang it up. I put potatoes or onions in there, but again, maybe that's just the mom in me. So that is number 1. Let's put this here. And then we got some of this Human Plus Kind scrub. It is a hand scrub. These have worked really good. There's been a foot scrub we've gotten. These retail for about $15, but it's just going to take the dead skin off. And I'm really big on smells. I wonder if this is open. No, it's closed. Elderberry and raspberry. That shouldn't be too crazy. So we got one of those. And then we got these. What are these? Reusable beauty rounds. Ditch your makeup wipes. So they're just reusable facial wipes. I guess you can wash them and still do it. We'll have to look at this. These sell for $15 for a 3-pack. So I have a feeling that my girls are gonna take those. And then we've got a papaya enzyme peel. This is for the face, I'm assuming. It says natural fruit enzymes blended with milk protein help smooth and moisturize the skin. This little bottle goes for $45. I've not heard of this brand, but there's been times when that smells really clean. I hate when things are too scented and they... Hi, baby. Oh, I got the little one in the background. Chatty. So I hate when things are too scented. This just smells really clean. What else? You gonna help Mama? You done? You don't need to eat, baby. Okay. So this is a hair mask. This is another brand that I've never heard of. I wonder what it has to say about this. This one is, antioxidant rich shea butter restores softness and shines to your locks. So after I get my hair done, I might try this because I process my hair. It says just apply to wash hair for 5 minutes or even overnight. I love overnight conditioners. I actually use blue leave-in conditioner. Even after I condition my hair, I still, before I brush it, put in a leave-in conditioner, and my hair, even though I bleach it, it is still soft. And I do not even cut my hair every time I get my hair done, every 6 to 8 weeks or even 3 months. I do not have to cut my ends off because my ends aren't split and they're not dry, even though I process it and use purple shampoo. I only wash my hair every 4 days, but I always extra condition it all the time. So this might be something that I try. The girls aren't stealing that. That's something that I will try to use after I get my hair done, which I think is in a couple weeks. I know I wanted to do it right before the baby. And this is a Monroe water resistant watch. It has like this little rose gold type plate in this little bag. I'm sure one of the girls will use this. I always wear my Apple Watch. I don't even know how much this one was. Oh. 1D, this, they say this is a $105 watch. Yeah. So, I wear an Apple Watch, but cute, one of the girls will love it. And remember, so these boxes, sometimes they're $200, sometimes I've had boxes that are worth $400. So, our place, what is this? This is like a big box. Again, so there might be like 3 or 4 things that if you do it in time, you have time to redo, or you have time to choose. And I did not do that this time. So this has this little latch. Oh, how cute. It's like a little, I guess, what do you call this? Like a bento box. So it has like the chopsticks, the fork, or the knife, the spoon, the fork. I'm assuming this comes off. Maybe I have to like, probably gonna be, yes, it is a bento box. And then you have your stackable, this comes out, and you have your trays. So, I wish it was in blue, because then I would totally pack this for my husband. But yes, so a little bento box, that's cute. The kids are at home, and then it just seals like this. This little thing around it. So this would, I wish this was in blue. My husband would totally love this, but that's super convenient if you're out and about going somewhere. This retails for $35. And then we still going. So what is this? Okay, it's a little weird. This looks like a cactus. Oh boy, I know which child of mine will have this. And it is a girl. This is a pink sky cactus sip cup. Guys, this is a little crazy. I'm not even gonna make a comment on this, but keep it G-rated. We'll take that out, Susan. So this is just a little drinking cup. They all have the cold cups, but I'm sure somebody, I don't know, put a mixed drink in this after the baby, but this is just a cute, I would call this an alcohol cup, but, you know, each their own. So this was 20, and then you had, these were 15, so that's 35, and then this was 25, so now you're at 60. The glasses were, what did I say? The glasses were 105, so that's 165. 165. Then you have, this was 45. So what is that, 210? You can check my math in a comment if I'm wrong. 210. And then this was 15, so 225. And then this one was $225 plus 55 would be $280. Plus you had this, which was $35. So what are we at? $3.15. $3.15 in products. Plus you have your HelloFresh meals as well. And then just if you want to see, so this, again, this is the book. And there's other things that are in here that you could have chosen. There's like a little duffel bag and this basil growing kit and milk makeup. It looks like there's some lipstick over here and one of my daughters would have loved that. It's a, I don't know, bucket hat of something. Some brushes, which they just bought. Some slippers. Oh, and I got stickers too. There were stickers in there. But they have like barrettes and nail polish and, you know, different makeup products and makeup kits. So there's all kinds of different things in here. And then they always give back. So they tell you what they give to who. Like UNICEF, Global Gift, Special Olympics, No Kid Hungry. So every dollar donated, one tree will be planted here. So they just talk about like members, refills. You can always add in if you like a product and there's more in stock. You can always buy it at a discounted price, and the next box that comes in, they'll throw it in that box so you're not charged shipping. So that's really nice. I've gotten this. This is like a black soap with tea tree in it. That is great if you have a cut or anything like that. But it goes through and talks to you about products and lipsticks and all kinds of things, and talking about the products in here. Like this was an exercise thing. This you could also get. I'm glad I didn't get that because I ain't exercising right now. But it shows you how to do like back extensions, full roll-ups, bicycle curls, all different things with this one little thing that they gave you free, just to tone your core. So, and then also with the bento box, how you can use it. So it's just a really fun little book that you can sit and read and just kind of go through. But this is their spring line that I got this time. So just wanted to show you all what I got. Have a great day.